Hi everyone, myself Alakmeena. Today I'm going to teach Social Science History Chapter 6 Towns, Traders, and the Craft Person. Here, the towns means where the large village is one of the town where the marketing will be taking place. It's any market like a vegetable markets, the species markets, or artisans like markets, any markets like it will be taken on the towns, and the trader means one who be buying and selling of the goods from one place to another places. They'll be calling us a traders. And the craft person, you know already what are the designs of be making like a potters and cloth designs. This all be person will call us a craft person. We are going to discuss one by one. Here the introduction is given. During the medieval period, new towns were developed in the different part of the India. You know that medieval period in 700 to 1750, the new towns was exiting, and in developing that too we are mostly discussing our India only. So it is in different part of India, new towns was developed. There were different towns in different functions, such as in Temple Town there is a kinds of kinds of towns, that is temple towns, administration center, commercial towns. In commercial towns is famous for the arts and the craft towns. Now we are going to discuss the first one, that administration center. Here I'm taken as a Tanjavur as a example, that we know already about that. So here Tanjavur was the capital of the Chola 1,000 years ago, emerged as an administration center as well as a temple town. You know that Tanjavur was one of the famous temples also. Here the Cholas kings was doing the administration on their own place, and they told that they'll be saying that they'll make as it is a capital of their places, and they're taking over the administration. One of the perennial river means here there'll be no dry of the water. Every time will be flow of water. You'll be listening that Kaveri, Yamuna, Ganga, it is never as dried water. It is always flowing water. So we will call as a perennial. So the perennial river Kaveri flow near the town, the famous of Rajeshwara temple by the Rajaraja Chola Museum. You know that one of the Gangaikonda Cholapuram Tanjavur period Koil is a famous temple that is constructed by Cholas dynasty. It will be flow of the main river that is called as the Kaveri. Already in chapter 2 we discussed about Cholas families also. They have captured the valley like a Kaveri, and they extend their agriculture also. So only we have extended here. That administration also taken by the Cholas only. So many kings wants to held means there will be constructions like a mandabas assembly for buildings for taking place like administration purpose, which is a part of the place and issuing the order to the subordinates. We have to use order that collecting the revenue, maintaining the administrations, maintaining the temple. This all be have be assembly in one place. So they built some mandabas will be called as a court, where the king will be held in that places. There was a very bustling market, is very good market is was going in there. There is especially grains, species, cloths, and jewelries. Most of all they will have a Kaveri, so they build the wells and tanks which will be provide water supply to the town also. One of the communities was exiting here, that Saila communities. What they means, they'll be the professional to make only the cloth designs, that will be weavers where in the places of Tanjavur and Urayur. The fine they'll be having some fine cloth means that is be given for the kings, and they'll be used for the temple purpose also, for the flag hoisting like that. They used in all the way where the administration will be taken by the Cholas by all this order. So we'll give an example as a administration center. Here some of the sailors, some pictures are given. Tanjavur marketing mandabas like that. This one. Next one is Temple Town and the Pilgrim Center. You know that already Temple Town now will be say as a pilgrim. Pilgrim is like a tourist place. It is one of the center now. So most of the temple was represent the most important pattern of the urbanization. Urbanization is like a big city area, urban area, where all the facility will be there in the urban area, and the center part of that every market will call as urbanization, where the temple will be represent in that place means is very important. Okay, ruler built a temple to demonstrate their devotion. Already know, to show their wealth, power, prestige, everything. They'll be building the temples. On apartment, apart that there be for their devotion worship, they will be building the temple like Hindu, like a church, many things. Gradually, many artisan traders was settled near the temple. Many public will be using, will be public will be coming to the temples. They'll be buying some products from outside. That I have experience, I think so. That one, the as usual artisans like a potter maker, traders will be buying the grains. Many are be assembled in the outside of the temple. So that also gradually improved. Here, one of the important temples like a Somnath in Gujarat, Kanchipuram and Madurai in Tamil Nadu, Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh. This is an important temple town. Pilgrim Center, like it is like a temple only, but it is one of the famous tourist place like a Vrindavan in Uttar Pradesh and Tiruvannamalai in the Tamil Nadu. Many others example is that you can refer your book. Here some network of the small town. Here we'll be having the large town and small town. Here some small town will be exited like a from the large some five town will be there means one exiting market in town will be there, that is will be called a small town. That usually for emerge in the form of large villages also. The market was called as Mandapika, means Mandi. You will be referred this word in the market, right? Rice Mandi, like that words be used, where the people came to sell their product in that. All the mandis, they'll come, they buy all the products and they'll be sending. It will be rice means rice Mandi, like that. Market street will be called as Hatta, which is be during the period of which had a line of shop. You have seen the line of shops. They'll be having flower shop means flower fruits, like a smith shops, many shops they'll be keeping on the line wise. And different kinds of artisans such as potter, sugar maker, smith, like a iron smith means like a iron rod, like that they'll be making. They'll be living in the town. Traders also selling their product in the towns like horses also, salts also, spices also. I told about Banjaras traders. They'll be selling the travels, they'll be going on the caravan already. Zamindar built a fortified palace near the towns. You know that most of our zamindars they have to collect means they cannot go to for their homes. So they'll build some palace like a fortified warehouses. Like the zamindar will be staying. They'll be collecting the revenue from those who are living out like artisans, traders. They'll be collecting the taxes. They usually collect the taxes from artisan traders and given to the temple purpose or record in the inscription. It will be used for the temple purpose. Next one is the traders of a big and small, like how we towns in the small, same as the traders we are going to discuss here. Here traders means they will not usually stay in one place, they'll be traveling in many places. Like that only one of the very types of traders, they usually travel in the caravans across many kingdoms. The caravan, it is one of the vehicle where they carry the horses from one place to the another place. To across many kingdoms they will be traveling. Especially that horse traders, they'll be forming that association one person, but we cannot having direct dealing with the consumers. So what they'll be giving association down, there will be a headman. After the headman will be selling the horses to the warriors. You know that who need the warriors like a kings, kshatriyas, they need to travel. So for them they'll be recommended to sell the horses. In that one of the many communities is there, one of Chettias, Mazwaris, Alswals, Banjaras. These are the one of the community trading in India. The trades also took powers over the seaport also, like a seaside also, like a Persian Gulf, East Africa, like that. Most Indian species was the most important species is very popular where the European market Britishers came to buy our product like a pepper, cinnamon and nutmegs. And Indian cotton also great demand eventually for the European trade to the India. Other than the agriculture, like species also one of the famous in India. Other than Indian textiles also gone on demand on these places. Next topic is craft and towns. Some towns becomes famous